Word. Flyboy TV, smoking a sour. I'm about to sing some other shit. Stevie Wonder lately, Jodeci, whoever you know for singing the shit, I'm just gonna sing it. And put that out for y'all niggas. Alright. So lately I've just had the strangest feeling, with no vivid reasons here to find. But yet the thought of losing you's been hanging round my mind. Now far more frequently you're wearing perfume, which you say no special place to go. Yeah. But when I ask if you be coming back soon, you don't know, baby. You never know. 'Cause see, I'm a man of many wishes. Hope my premonition misses. But what I really feel, my eyes won't let me hide. 'Cause they always start to cry. 'Cause this time could mean goodbye. And lately I've been staring in the mirror, very slowly picking me apart, trying to tell myself I have no reasons with your heart, yeah. And some crazy shit. Just the other night while you were sleeping, I vaguely heard you whisper someone's name, yeah. But when I ask you of the thoughts you're keeping, you say nothing's changed.